giggle and grow kids' TV.
We hopped on a bus one bright sunny day. To Farmer Joe's farm we were on our way. Smiles on our faces, hands held tight. Off to the farm with hearts so light. Moo moo here and ba ba there. We met cute animals everywhere. Oink and Cluck and a happy neigh. What a fun and joyful day. Maya saw a cow with a big round bell. Leo gave the sheep a gentle pet as well. Zoe danced with ducks near the little blue pond. And Jamal made friends with the goose who yawned. Moo moo here and ba ba there. We met cute animals everywhere. Oink and Cluck and a happy neigh. What a fun and joyful day. We fed the chickens and brushed the horse. Rode in a wagon, of course, of course. Tried fresh milk and sweet apple pie. Waved to the scarecrow